the number that gets divided. Just you underline that line. Dividend. Are you able to see this one, Nana? Dividend. The number that gets divided. Underline that word. That sentence, sorry. Next. Divisor. Divisor means the number by which we divide. Underline that sentence also. Next to coefficient. The answer in division. Underline those three sentences. Once you look at this textbook, what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is coefficient. Underline those three sentences. Dividend sentence meaning, divisor meaning, and coefficient meaning. Just you underline that one. Okay, Nana? Now, $751 or is it 251? Maybe that is your problem. My screen is not getting me. That is your phone net problem. Once you check. Okay. Now, everybody open page number 90. Just I am revising the properties. Okay. First, what is the first property, Nana? Dividing by 1. What is the first property? Yesterday I explained na? Dividing by 1. So dividing by 1 means, what is example? Tell me one example. 6 divided by 1. So we have to divide by 1. By 1. By 2 means by 2. After division symbol you have to keep. Okay. Now divide 6 by 2. By 2 means after the division symbol. By after what number you will repeat? The division symbol after you have to keep. Okay, Nana? Now, 6 divided by 1. 6 divided by 1. Now, what is the answer? 6 divided by 1. First property. This is your mother have. Yes, 6 chocolates she have. Here, how many of you? Only 1. So, what is your share? There are only 1. So, to whom she will give? To you only she will give. So, what is your share? 6. Same number. 6. Same number. Division by 1. What is the answer? Same number. One thing you have to analyze like this. This is your mother house. Okay? This is you. Up, your brother, your sister. This is you. And this is your share. How much you will get. This is your chocolate. You are only 1. To whom she will give? 6 chocolates she will give. To you only she will give. So what is your share? 6 only. 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. Next. 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. What is the answer? 7. You are dividing by 1. So what is your share? You are only 1 kid. So your share is 7. What your mother has, she will give all to you. Okay, Nana? Now tell me. How many your mother have, you don't know. You are only 1 kid. You are only 1 kid. What is your share? 8. Can you tell me how many your mother have? How many your mother? You are only 1 kid means she will give all to you only. Yes? So what is the answer, Nana? 8. When you divide with 1, you will get the same number. What your mother have, she will give to you only. What your mother have, she will give to only. 6 means 6 she will give. 7 means your share is 7. 8 means your share is 8. 9 means your share is 9. That is the first property. What is the second property? Dividing by itself. What is the second property? Dividing by itself. brother, your sister together. How many members? 6. So that is dividing by itself. By itself means same number. Same number. 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6. When you divide with the same number, so what she will give? Suppose 4 chocolates means 4 brothers and sisters. So what she will give? She will give 1 to everyone. Isn't it? So what is the answer, Nana? 1. So when you divide by same number or itself, you will get answer 1. You will get answer 1. 6 divided by 6. 1. 7 divided by 7. 1. 8 divided by 8. 1. Just you analyze like this. Your mother has 9 chocolates and you are 9 members. Your brother, your sister, total 9 members. How many? What is your share? What is your share? 1 only. She will give 1 to each. Okay. So everyone she will give 1 chocolate. So what is your share? 1. When you divide with same number, 1. 7 divided by 7, 1. 9 divided by 9, 1. That is the second property. Next, the third property, dividing 0. What is the third property? Dividing 0. Now observe this one. By itself means after division we are writing that number. After the division symbol we are writing that number. Yes? Here no by here. Just we should divide 0. Means that is your mother have. Your mother have 0 chocolate. So when your mother have anything, she don't have anything means what is your share? So your mother has 0 chocolate. You and your brother is there at home. How many you will get? Will you get anything? She will give? No, she can't give because she don't have anything. Tell me the answer, Nana. 0. When you divide 0, answer is also 0. When you divide 0, answer is also 0. I am not telling when you divide by 0. I am telling divide 0. You are dividing 0. What is the difference between these two, Nana? You should careful. Observe this one. How I am pronouncing this. Here we are dividing 0. Here we are dividing by 0. Understood? This is here we are dividing 0. 0 we are making into parts. Here with 0 we are making. Understood, Nana? So for this, when you divide 0, you will get the answer 0. When you divide by 0, no meaning. What is that? No meaning. Meaningless. Now you understood, Nana? Dividing by 1. First example, dividing by 1. So when you divide by 1, you will get the same number. When you divide itself, you will get 1. When you divide 0 by any number, you will get 0. 0 this side. Then only you will get this. This in the dividend place. Next one, same. 6 divided by 0, meaningless. This is meaningless. These are the 4 properties. Have you understood the 4 properties? When you divide with 1, means you are only 1 kid, you will get same. When you are same, you will get 1. When your mother has 0, when you divide 0, your answer is 0. Only left side 0 means division symbol before 0 means answer is 0. Next, when you divide any number by 0, meaningless, no meaning. Have you understood these 4 properties, Nana? Shall I move to the exercise? Shall I start? I think everybody understood that one. Okay, ma? Now, look at exercise number 5, textbook, page number 90. Once you look at that one. exercise 5. Page number 90, textbook page number 90, Nana. Okay, first one, A. 15 divided by 1. What is the answer, Nana? 15 divided by 1. Just I'm writing this side. 15 divided by 1. Now, this is dividend, means what your mother have. This is your mother have 15 chocolates. Now here, you are only one kid. So, how many you will get, tell me? And you divide by 1. What is the answer, Nana? Same number. Full you will get. What your mother have, she will give to you only. So, what is the answer? What is the answer, Nana? 15. What is the first A question answer? 15. Exercise 5, page number 90. This is A problem. Answer is 50. Answer in division is called coefficient. This is answer. This answer in division is called coefficient. Okay, ma? Next B. 0 divided by 9. 0 divided by 9. Now, same apply. This is your mother have. Your mother has 0 chocolate. This is you, your brother, your sister. Total how many members are there? 9 members are there. What is your share? Will your mother able to give? No, because she don't have anything. Now tell me, what is your share? Divide 0 by any number. What is the answer? 0. What is the answer, Nana? 0. You have to write this, Nana. In the textbook, you have to write. In the textbook, whatever the answer I'm writing, you have to write that one. Okay. Next, C. C, Nana. 16 divided by 16. 16 divided by 16. Your mother has 16 and you are also 16 members are there. Now what is your share? What is your share? Same number. Same number means 16 chocolates are there. 16 members are there. So what is your share? 1 you will get. Same number. When you divide with same number, you will get 1. What is the answer, Nana, for the C? 1. So for the C, write 1. Next, D. D. 64 divided by 1. What is the answer? Like A only. See, same property. Your mother has 64. You are only one kid. So, suppose your mother has 64 chocolates. You are only one kid. How many you will get, Nana? 64. Happy, na? 64 chocolates means? Yes? So, when you divide number by 1, you will get the same number. 50 by 1, answer is 15. 64 by 1, answer is 64. Okay? First property. Next, E. E. 16, same property, this also. 16 divided by 1. Your mother has now 16 chocolates. You are only one kid. What is your share? She will give all to you. So what is the answer? 16, same number. When you divide by 1, you will get the same number. 16 means 16, 17 means 17, 18 means 18. Okay? Next. F. F. 24, same property. 24 divided by 1. You have to tell me that. Rakshit, you finish? I wrote Nana page number 90. In the textbook page number 90. Very good. 24. What is the answer, Nana? 24. Next. G. What is that? 8 divided by 8. Now tell me. Your mother has 8 chocolates. How many members? You are 8 members. What is your share? Same number. When you divide by same number, what is your share? 1 only. So what is answer, Nana? 1. Okay? Next. For the Z, what is the answer? 1. Next. H. H. This one you have to give answer. Just you try it. You try it. Give answers to me. For the H one you have to try. H I need. Okay, one answer I got. Ahmad wrong. No. You are giving 1. Likit, okay, good. Naga Jahnavi, good. Somebody gave Akhilesh, you gave 30. Wrong, Nana. Yes, Muhammad, correct. Very good. Now listen. I already told. When you divide by 1, same answer. What your mother have? Same thing only you will get. Okay? So if you take 1 here, 1 divided by 1, same number. What answer you have to get here? 1. When you divide with 1, answer is 1. Why you are giving 1 here? What is the answer, Nana? 10. For the H, answer is 10. Now I. 30 divided by, this also you can write. When we get quotient as 1, when you will get 1 share? When you will get 1 share? When your mother and your brothers and sisters have same numbers. So 30 divided by 30, same number. When we divide with the same number, our share is 1. Your share is 1. 30 divided by 30 is equal to 1. Now who didn't complete? Now you copy that fastly. Otherwise take screenshot. Later you copy that. In the textbook page number 20. Okay, Ashley? Okay, Nana? Very good. Now, who didn't write? Now you copy. First take screenshot. To switch. For what you gave 0 answer? Nana. Next time while you are giving answers, Nana, you give your name. Then I can understand. Okay. Now I am going to erase that. Now, in that only second Roman is there. Once you see down, identity Identify the dividend divisor. That one is there, see. Identify the dividend divisor. Identify the dividend divisor and coefficient. Once you look at that one, second Roman, in that what they give? 18 divided by 3 is equal to 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Now here they give dividend next divisor. Next one is coefficient. Okay. So in this division, you have to identify what is dividend, what is divisor, what is coefficient. Now just you think, this is division symbol. Division before, division after. Okay, Nana? Division divided by before, divided by after. So this is dividend. What it is? Dividend. So what is the dividend here, Nana? 18. Division symbol divided by before, dividend. Okay. Next. Divisor. What is the divisor here? 3. What is the divisor here? 3. Now coefficient. Coefficient is nothing but answer in the division. Quotient is nothing but answer in the division. What is the answer here? 6. That is the coefficient. What we call Nana? Coefficient. Dividend, divisor, coefficient. This is division symbol before. Dividend, divisor. This is coefficient. Okay, copy that. Completed, ma? Okay. Now close your textbook. If you finish this, close your textbook. I will give notes regarding the properties of division. Okay, Nana? Everybody close your textbook. Open your notebook. Open your notebook, everybody. Close your textbook. Okay. Have you opened your notebook, Nana? Open your notebook. Now, here, properties of division. Properties of division. Try to write that one. First property. Dividing by 1. Try to write that one. First take screenshot, later you start writing. Textbook, page number 90. Properties of division. I already explained this one. First property, second property. Basing on that only we completed exercise 5, isn't it? Now, copy. Dividing by 1. So when we divide any number by 1, we get same number. Copy the first property. Now second property, dividing by itself. ITIT-SELF, itself. Suppose if you get any doubt in the page number 90 textbook, in the textbook is also there, you can check. Textbook page number 90, you can see there also. In the notebook you have to copy, Nana.
చూసి అన్నది అన్న ఏడే ఉందిగా అమ్మ మంచిది కానీ చూడ క్లాస్ కానీ.
Okay, if you not complete, take screenshot. I'm going to next page. Couldn't complete, take screenshot. I'm moving to the next property, Nana. Okay. Now this is third property, dividing 0, dividing 0, divided by 5 is equal to 0, 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0, 0 divided by 3 is equal. So when you divide 0, R3 is also 0. Fourth property, division by 0. Observe the difference. Dividing 0, division by 0. When we divide by 0, that is meaningless. Take screenshot, later you copy that, Nana. Slowly you can write if you take screenshot. Yesterday I gave homework 6th and 7th table one time, isn't it? Today 8th table two times. Okay, Nana, I'm writing here. Carefully you copy it. Yesterday you asked ma'am, science ma'am you asked, I already gave. So once copy the homework also. This is today's homework, Nana. Learn and write 8th table two times. This is your homework. Take screenshot. I'm closing that. Screen sharing I'm closing. Have you taken screenshot, everybody? Okay. Now this is your homework. Today's homework. Learn and write 8th table 2 times. This is your homework. Don't ask again and again. Learn and write 8th table 2 times. This is today's homework. Okay, Nana? Okay. Thank you. See you in the next class. Now you have science class. Ready with your science